Umphathiswa wezempilo khange afike kule komiti yasepalamente exolisa ngelithi ucetyiswe ngamagqwetha kuba angazirhintyeli kwimiba yomthetho.
I last spoke to the minister last night, and he indicated to me that he has been advised that because of this investigation in his department that also involves or touching his name, he has been advised that legally it is not a correct thing to then be the one leading the delegation to brief us.
Kodwa amaphikisayo akahambisani nesi sigqibo sikamphathiswa.
Matters adjudicate when they before a court of law. This matter is not before a court of law. This matter is being investigated by the South African Service, and it's being investigated by this special investigative unit. Those two things are not a court of law, and the rule of being sub judice only relates to a matter being in front of a court of law.
I agree the sub matter is according, in my view, not sub judice simply because the special investigation unit is still busy with their investigation. The matter is reported to the South African police, and it is not, I agree with my colleagues, it is not before the court of law yet.
Part of the reasons why he said he did not want to resign or could not resign was because there was no link between him and the corruption regards to Digital Vibes, right? And so it becomes important for us to discuss any report pertaining to the matter of corruption.
Umbutho we-ANC wona uye wamkhusela umphathiswa Mkhize.
Because this is also helpful, that tomorrow people should not helter-skelter rush to the court opening up a case without evidence, so that they hope that through the DG they'll get evidence that will enhance their cases or influence the political end.
Ingqonyela yesebe lezempilo ithi ifumene ingcebiso efana nekamphathiswa kodwa yanika ingxelo emfutshane ethi i-SIU iyaphanda.
We can't treat that report as a final report because for sure, I mean, they have extensive powers like summoning bank accounts and doing all the other issues which the forensic investigators did not have that.
Le ngqonyela iye yanaba isithi i-SIU iphanda nangamaxabiso axhonyiweyo.
One of the key issues that report raised was the issue of overcharging of the contract, which specifically with a specific instruction from the SIU that that's one of the areas that they are investigating, and in addition to the irregularity.
Kusenjalo ingcali yomthetho ithi esi sigqibo sikaMkhize asinasihlahla.
The rule is also not an absolute one. It is only applicable if disclosure of information will be prejudicial to the administration of justice, and this has clearly not been demonstrated in this case.
Le komiti ithi iza kufumana ingcebiso yomthetho ngesi sigqibo sikamphathiswa. Xolelani Philip, SABC News ePalamente.